Good day, friends. I'm here at Mlindazwe, site number 1 of 2020. You have seen pictures of the site, but the buildings are complete. I will show you some video when I get there. Amazing thing, the community has made 1,000 blocks already, and they are making 2,000 more. They fundraised in the community for cement. I'm offloading cement now to make blocks to finish the structure. I'm very excited to see what's happening on the site, and I would like to just show you around and then watch the space. Thank you so much for your support. So this is the pastor's house. This little structure here is the bathroom with a toilet, a shower and a basin in it. And and there is 20 bags of cement on the car that the community has fundraised for, and that is the church building right over there. Hallelujah.